It's my birthday. I'm 21 years old today. Dun, dun. Oh yeah.
Hello world. Hi.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. So I'm very excited about this video because I'm going to be doing my birthday vlog, if that makes sense. So I've always wanted to do one of these, and I'm so glad that I'm finally going to be doing it this year. So I'll be having, today is Monday on the 6th and my birthday is on the 8th. So I'm going to be doing my birthday photo shoot type thingy tomorrow. So I'll be taking you guys with me throughout the preparations, the birthday, and how everything goes down. We're currently going to purchase some stuff from town for the birthday party. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. That's basically it. So I'm going to meet my friends right now, then we go. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm showing my pink lips.
Look. Comfort. This is pink lips. Come on.
Hi, Betty. So we just ordered our cake for Friday. The ice cream is nice. Okay, let's go. Against Babu. Where's the eyebrow? Yeah, trimming eyebrow there. Hi guys. Hi guys. Somebody tell this girl to shut up.
Yeah, she's like just shut
Shut up. So guys, I'm about to do my hair. Yeah, correct, Bobo. I'm about to do my hair. Hey,
Spray something.
so I'm going to fix my hair and I'll come back and I'll show you guys the final look because I'm struggling doing this thing on camera. I'll see you guys when I'm done with my hair, whatever I'm going to do to it. Okay, bye. Good morning guys. Today is on the 7th and I'm going out to take pictures. I'm trying to recreate this hairstyle for my birthday. That's why I have these two things here. I'm just going to put on these to get what you're seeing on the screen right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do my hair and then my makeup, and I'll put on my fit, and then we'll go and take the pictures. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm done with the look or whatever, and I have my dress in here because I didn't want to stain it when I was doing my makeup. And so we're going to take the pictures now. Taking in, guys. Hi people. Hi guys, so we just finished taking the pictures and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is my birthday. Bye. Hi guys, today is the 8th of December and it's my birthday. Like it's my birthday. I'm 21 years old today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. But I've really not been doing anything the whole of today. I've just been in bed replying to your messages. Oh my gosh, they are so sweet and there are a lot, but I'm going to try my best and reply everyone's message today. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. So I don't think I'll see you guys tomorrow because the party is on Friday and I'm really not going to be doing anything that much tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on Friday. Hi guys, today is Friday and we're having a small birthday party today for Belinda and I. So we're going to Belinda's room to like clean and decorate the room for the birthday party. So I'll be taking you guys through that before the birthday party. Hi guys, so we're currently going to pick the cake we ordered on Monday. Hi.
Can you write happy birthday?
Hi guys, so we're about to pick up the cake we ordered on Monday. I'll show you guys later.
How much is the star
over there?
Yes.
2 cakes.
How much is it? Are you okay? Okay. You can.
birthday party.
A video, oh my god.
You guys should come and meet a birthday twinnie.
Yes.
Come.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's actually not my birthday.
It's
this girl's birthday.
It was her birthday yesterday and my birthday on Wednesday. So we are having the party together. You guys, I'm so excited. I feel cute.
Are you ready? Hip, hip, hip.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, today is Saturday and I just woke up. It's about 2 p.m. and yeah, I want to end the video here because I don't know what I'm going to be recording again. The birthday is like literally over. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'll just go to church and thank God and all that. And I received a few gifts from my friends and I want to be unboxing them with you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So let's start with this one. And I don't know if I should be mentioning the people who brought the gifts to me, but well, let's just keep it like that. So this first one is this star. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Is it an alarm clock or what? Wait, it's a light. It's an LED lamp. Hey. Okay, so this is the first one. I don't know. Thank you for this. And the next one is this beauty. And let's open it up and see what we have in here. So the first one in here is this cute watch. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is it. And the second one is perfume. Wow, this is nice. Thank you so much for this gift. How do I pull this out? So this is it, and this is the perfume. Actually smells so good. Thank you guys so much. I really love this. It looks so cute, like classy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Here is the next thing we've got. So this is a hairband, and this is a sleep mask, and this is it. So the next one is this box full of toiletries. So there's this and soap, liquid soap, and thank you. The gift will not that much, but then I appreciate every single one of you. And then this. Ta-da! So this is another perfume. This smells so nice. But and then this pairs. There should be money in it. Empty, but thank you for this gift as well. And last but not least is this, like this, and this too. You open it up. Ow! So this is a pen. Well, this is a pen. And this here is an alarm clock, or just a watch, an Apple Watch. And this is a card holder, I think. So that's it for the gifts, guys. Thank you all so much. I'm so grateful for the love you guys have showed me on this birthday. I appreciate you all. So this is where I end the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys some other time in my next video. And please don't forget to share. You can screen record your favorite part and repost it on any social media. Yep. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.